In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your schoolwork using ClickUp. We'll start by heading to clickup.com and signing in. On the homepage, click Login, then choose Continue with Google to quickly authenticate and select your Google account. Any standard login method works here. The key is getting into your workspace so we can set everything up for school. Once you're in, go to your personal space or whichever space you want to dedicate to schoolwork. Think of a space as the container for all your lists, docs, and tasks. With that space open, click the plus icon to add something new. We're going to speed things up by using a template, so open Templates. In the template library, search for schoolwork, then select the template that fits your needs. Click Use Template, and when prompted, confirm by clicking Use Template again. This brings in a ready-made structure you can customize instead of building from scratch. After the template loads, open the school schedule doc. Here you can enter your classes, days, and times so your week is clear at a glance. Add notes like room numbers, online links, or professor office hours. Whatever helps you show up prepared. Next, go to Activities. This is where you'll track assignments, quizzes, projects, and exams. Edit the items to match your subjects, adjust due dates, and update statuses so you always know what's coming up and what's done. Open class notes to centralize your lecture notes. You can format headings by topic, add bullet points for concepts, and drop in links or images for reference. If you need separate sections per subject, click Add Page to create a new note page. One page per class keeps everything clean and easy to find. Switch over to the board view to manage your tasks visually. Click a task and drag it into the right section, typically something like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Moving cards on the board is a quick way to reflect your real progress throughout the week. If you prefer a more detailed view, switch to List. Here you can see all tasks in a structured list, which is great for sorting by due date, filtering by subject, or editing details in bulk. Finally, open any task to fine-tune its details. Update the title and description, set or change the due date, add attachments like reading PDFs or slides, create subtasks for multi-step assignments, and write comments to capture instructions or reminders. With your schedule outlined, activities organized, notes structured, and tasks managed in both board and list views, your school workflow in ClickUp is set to keep you focused and on track.